Hello children, I welcome you all to the science class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding whatever we are doing in the science class. Do you remember what we have done in the last class? Yes, we are doing chapter 3. Yes, the name of the chapter is Safety and First Aid, in which we have learned so many rules, that was safety rules to be followed when we are inside our home, outside our home, in the school, on the playground. Yes, all these things we have learned. So let us see what we have learned in the last class. In last class we learned safety rules at school. Yes, and in today's class we will learn about, what do you see in the picture? Yes, we will learn about the first aid. So in today's class children, we will learn about first aid. So all of you have seen first aid kit? I think so you have seen first aid kit, and you also know that where this kit should be used. Yes. So let us see and learn more about first aid. Sometimes accidents do occur even if we have been careful. So till last class we learned that in each and every case children, we need to be very careful and we don't need to rush in everything. Yes, so if you know how to react in times of accident, you can avoid further damage and pain. And if you know that how to react when accidents occur, if you know how to react at that time, so no further damage and pain will occur. So children, what are the things we need to remember at that time? Here are some things that need to be kept in mind in case of an accident. Do not get scared, remain calm. So these are the things to be remembered in time of accident. Any accident, if it takes inside your house or outside the road, so you shouldn't get scared. Okay, please don't get scared and you will remain calm at that time. Do not crowd around the person who is injured. So you can see that if a person is injured, you will not crowd around them. You will not form a crowd around them. Get adult help as soon as possible. If it is serious, take him to the clinic or call a doctor. So if the person is serious, you have to take him to the clinic or you should call to the doctor immediately, and you have to take help from the adult one. The first or immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives is called first aid. So what is first aid? First aid is the first or it is an immediate help. Okay, it is not possible that there is doctor every time everywhere. Yes, so when you get injured at that time, you need an immediate help. So first aid is the first or immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. So this is known as first aid. So you have already seen the first aid box in the previous slide. You can see it is a first aid box. So in this slide we will learn what does a first aid box contain. First aid box is a kit which has things required for immediate help of the injured person. So first aid box is a kit which has all the things that is required to an injured person. That means for immediate help we require few things. Yes, so those things should be there in the first aid box. It contains an antiseptic lotion, bandage, cotton, scissors, soap, etc. So these are the things which you need to have in your first aid box children. So what does it contain? It contains an antiseptic lotion, bandage, cotton, scissors, soap, etc. so that you can give an immediate help whenever an injured person required. You may find it at most public places like your school, school bus, railway stations, theaters, shopping malls, etc. So the first aid box is found in most public places like your school, school bus, railway station, even at your homes also. Yes, theaters, shopping malls, etc. because any accidents could occur anywhere, right? So children, these are the pictures of the things which should be there in the first aid box. You can see bandage is there, cotton is there, antiseptic lotion is there, scissor is there, yes, and more things are there. So these are the things which you need to have in your first aid box. Okay, so children, let us see the fact for the day today. So the fact says that snails take the longest naps. Snails, snails, you can find snails all around your house. Yes, so they take the longest nap, means they can sleep for up to 3 years. You can't even imagine. Snails can sleep up to 3 years. So children, hope you all understood this chapter. Yes, I will see you in the next class with the exercises of this chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.